Hello everybody, it's me, your bestie Lucy. How do I say some popular English phrases in Chinese? Linnet Chinese is here for you. Hey Phil, I didn't see you at school yesterday. Hey Phil, 我昨天在学校里没看到你呢。
I didn't come. Because I was under the weather.
Oh, you poor thing.
我昨天没来，因为我觉得昨天身体不舒服。
Our phrase for today is under the weather. 不舒服。Under the weather in Chinese is 不舒服。But first, let's take a look at this 舒服。舒服 meaning comfortable. You could say 我很舒服。I am very comfortable. Drinking coffee makes me feel 舒服. Listening to Linnet Chinese makes me feel 舒服. So, 舒服 meaning comfortable. And 不 meaning not. So, not comfortable meaning 不舒服. So next time when you hear someone said, I was under the weather, in Chinese is 我不舒服. Now let's take a look at these following examples. I'm feeling a bit under the weather. I think I'm getting a cold. 我现在感到很不舒服，我觉得我感冒了。Hey Phil, 我听说你上周不舒服。你现在觉得怎么样？
Yeah, I had a fever for 3 days, but I'm feeling much better now. 对呀，我连续发了3天高烧，但是现在感觉舒服多了。
That's it, everybody. Did you get it? Under the weather, 不舒服。Bye.